Dear students, today we will study chapter 4. Name of chapter is Adaptations in Animals. First term we will use in this chapter is habitat. Habitat is place where any organism lives. It is local environment which provides an animal with food, shelter and other needs. This is called habitat. Next definition is adaptation. Adaptations are special characteristics which help an organism to survive in its habitat. Means some special features which are present in any animal so that animal can live properly in its habitat. For example, fish has gills so it can breathe in water. Now the question is, what is need for adaptation? Animals need to adapt to save themselves from predators. Now what are these predators? Predators are the animals which kill small animals for food. Second point, what is need for adaptation? To cope up with extreme cold. Third, for locomotion in habitat. Locomotion means moving from one place to other place. For example, birds move from one place to other place with the help of wings. So wings are the adaptations of birds which help birds for locomotion in the habitat. Types of adaptations. Adaptations are of two types: physical adaptations and behavioral adaptations. Physical adaptations means adaptations in structure and shape of an animal. For example, lion has strong teeth to eat the flesh and to chew the bones. Birds have wings which help them to fly. Body of snake has scales. These scales help snake to crawl on ground. Second type of adaptations are behavioral adaptations. Means when there are changes in behavior of animal. For example, some animals and insects migrate from one place to other in winter season. Grey whales migrate from Arctic Ocean to coast of Mexico. Some animals live in groups to protect themselves from predators. Some animals pretend to be dead when they are attacked by enemy. Some animals hibernate. Hibernate means they sleep during winter. They sleep for a very long period during winter to protect themselves from cold weather. Now there are some adaptations in terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals are those animals which live on land. These may be adaptations in open land animals, adaptations in desert animals, or adaptations in cold region animals. What are the adaptations in open land animals? Animals like lion, deer have long, strong limbs and streamlined body which help them in locomotion. Limbs means legs and arms. Streamlined body means the body shape which is narrow at front and broad at middle. Animals like rabbits and rats have small head and short limbs so that they can dig the ground to make burrows. Burrows are holes in the ground in which rabbits and rats live. Monkeys have long tail to move on trees, to hold the branches of trees. Then squirrels have flexible ankle joint so that their claws can hook into bark of trees while climbing. Adaptations in desert animals. Camels have padded feet to walk easily on sand. Camel has hump to store food in the form of fat. Desert animals can drink a lot of water at a time. This water they use when no water is available in desert. Camel has long eyelashes and small ears to save eyes and ears from sand. Camel can close nostrils to protect it from sand. Camel has thick fur to protect itself from sunburn. Now, what are adaptations in cold region animals? Polar bear has thick fur to keep itself warm. Penguins have thick layer of fat which is called blubber to keep them warm. Some animals become inactive during winter and go into long sleep. It is called hibernation. Some animals have strong legs to chase prey. Some animals have well-developed sense organs to feel environmental changes. Dear students, next topic for adaptations we will do next week in next video.